Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through how to remove your Roblox account or how to delete your Roblox account permanently. How to delete. But to delete your Roblox account, you can't delete it on the app. You can't delete it on the app direct. So unless you delete from a browser, follow the steps and watch the video. If you're new to the channel, can you subscribe to the channel? So you choose a browser. I'll pick a Chrome browser. So I'll choose a Chrome browser here, and I'll type Chrome. Choose a Chrome browser. I'll type roblox.com roblox.com/support so /support. Support. So it is loading. Good, it has loaded. So here you enter your date of birth. So the month is January, the day is 1st, the year 2000. You click continue. Here the username is optional, and the first name too is optional. If you like, you can type. If you like, you can leave it. So my username, I have typed it there, but it's optional. So my first name, I will leave it because it's optional. I'll enter. Email here. I want the email here. You repeat the same email. Good. Here, what device are you using? What device are you having with the program on? Here I will choose the device that you are using. So I will choose Android phone. Second, to what type of health category? I will choose. Okay, since you want to delete, so you choose I want to delete my account. You click, and the second you click the third one. I want to delete my account, and here you write this to them. Hi, I want to delete my Roblox account. Here you click continue. When you click continue, and they will ask you to verify it. So you click on verify. On verification, they will give you a message on your email, and they will ask you to confirm whether you want to delete Roblox account. So when you confirm, you write to them, yes, I confirm the deletion of my Roblox account with the username. So the username you're using on the Roblox account, you add it to them. So you say, yes, I confirm the deletion of my Roblox account with the username. So you add the username and you click submit. Within an hour time, they will delete your account for you. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Bye.